Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a farmer-villager work. First, you'll need to place a composter block, which is their specific job site. Make sure the villager can easily reach this block. They also need a bed to claim, as this helps establish their village and allows them to refresh their trades. These foundational steps are crucial for any villager to take on a profession. Once your farmer has a job site and a bed, they need a farm to tend. Create a 9x9 plot of hydrated farmland. Plant suitable crops such as wheat, carrots, or potatoes within this area. Remember, proper lighting is also vital for your crops to grow efficiently. A well-lit and watered farm ensures your farmer has plenty to do and harvest. Your farmer will automatically harvest mature crops and store them in their inventory, which can hold up to 8 stacks of items. After harvesting, they will replant new seeds in the empty farmland. Farmers also share excess food with other villagers, which can help with breeding. This continuous cycle keeps your farm productive and your villagers fed. Farmers are valuable for trading crops like wheat, carrots, and potatoes for emeralds. Their trades refresh twice per in-game day, allowing for consistent emerald income. To collect their harvested goods, you can set up a hopper system beneath the farmland. This ensures automatic item retrieval, making your farm highly efficient and productive without constant manual intervention.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.